Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this angelic sort of video on CapCut PC. So select your video and copy and paste it. Then go to cutout and select auto cutout. You're then going to want to go to effects, and again, if you add this on top of the video, I don't really like it because it applies it to the person's face as well. So I'm just going to grab it and put it underneath the video instead. And here you can adjust the strength, and I'm just going to kind of zoom in a little bit. Whoops. Okay, maybe not. And if you'd like to, you can add in like another background. Maybe like these clouds one instead, but it doesn't really show like the effect that much. So just go to your video, go to adjustments, and go to brightness and adjust it. As well as like contrast a little bit so you can kind of see the like glow effect on it. But I just like using the original video. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.